Afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and I just got back from Costco, and I decided to go there to pick up some cream because, you know, their cream is still only $2.49, whereas any place else I'm going to pay at least $3.49. And I considered looking around to see what else I could pick up, and I decided that one more bag of flour was not out of the question. So I did pick up another 22 kilograms of flour, and I will be packaging that up as well. But today's video is, I have beans in my home, and I have never properly packaged them. So I intend to do that right now. And I do like the idea of the small packages, so that you only open up what you're going to use within a certain time frame. So yes, I have probably 20, 40, 60, 80, perhaps around 90 pounds of beans and more that's already in jars. So I have quite a job ahead of me to get some of these beans packaged. So come along with me if you enjoy watching these kind of videos, and we'll package some of these beans up together. Anyway, and perhaps you can see that I wasn't kidding when I said I had beans to package up and this extra bag of flour. So I'm going to do my flour first, and I'm going to do it the same way I did the last time, using the brown paper bags, and then we'll start in on packaging the beans. And I've got a different idea for doing those right now, so but we'll start with the flour first. Okay, 3.7, 3.6.7, actually this is the same, 3.7.6, and 3.7.7, so they're all fairly close. So I'm going to seal these up now and then get another 3 going. Anyone that is interested, I put these in a big plastic bin so that they are protected from little critters. Little critters can get through these bags, but they can't get through plastic bins. Okay. Okay, that's a gallon, so that's pretty much half a gallon. Perfect. A system that works. And I should be able to get this out of here, no problem. Okay, lots of beans to pack up, and that looks like it's probably one of the most efficient ways to do it. Okay, no beans, or sorry, no label and no description required. I can tell what these are. They're navy beans. I know what my beans are, and so all I have to do is package them up, and the clear bags are just fine. Okay, got my work cut out for me today.